Do at-home hair glosses actually work on gray hair? Because some people swear they make their gray hair shinier. Other people say that it makes their gray hair dry and it ruins their curl pattern and damages their hair. So which is it? Well, I tried one myself and I'm going to show you exactly what happened. But first, there's something about gray hair that most people don't realize. When I first grew out my gray hair, one thing I noticed pretty quickly is that it didn't always look as shiny as it used to. And that's something that a lot of people with gray hair talk about. Gray hair can sometimes look a little dull, even when it's really healthy. So it's natural that people are going to start looking for things to add shine back. And one of the things that keeps popping up everywhere is something called a hair gloss. You see them in salons as an add-on service, but now you can find them even in drugstores with versions that you can do at home. But before we even get into whether or not they work, it helps to understand why gray hair looks different in the first place. A lot of people think that gray hair looks dull because it's damaged, but that's not really the case. When hair turns gray, it loses melanin, which is that pigment that gives our hair and our skin its color. Melanin actually plays a role in how hair reflects light. So when the pigment is gone, the hair fiber becomes more translucent and light reflects differently off the surface. That's one reason why gray hair can sometimes look more matte finish than pigmented hair. And the other thing that changes is oil production. As we get older, the scalp often produces less natural oil. And those natural oils normally coat the hair shaft and help it reflect light. So when gray hair has less oil and a slightly different structure, it can look less shiny, even if it's perfectly healthy. And that's where products like hair glosses come in. What a hair gloss actually does. A hair gloss is basically a lightweight coating treatment for the hair. Most gloss formulas contain conditioning ingredients and film forming agents that smooth that outer layer of the hair. That's called the cuticle. When the cuticle's smoother, light reflects more evenly off the hair. And that's what creates shine. So a gloss isn't permanently changing your hair. It's more like it's smoothing out the surface of your hair so that it reflects the light better. Think of like a mirror or a piece of glass. Most gloss treatments are going to last anywhere from a couple of washes to a few weeks, depending on the formula and how often you wash your hair.
But does it damage curls?
Now, one thing you might hear a lot online is that people are saying that at-home gloss treatments ruin the texture of their hair, that their waves and their curls just didn't act the same after using one.
This is Kaylee, and I used the L'Oreal Everpure Glossing 5-Minute Lamination Mask back in December of 2024, and it permanently altered the state of my hair.
And there is reason why some people might feel that way. Because if you have curly or wavy hair, some gloss formulas can coat the hair to the point where it weighs the hair down. That can smooth frizz, which can actually make curls look softer, but it can also make the curl pattern relax slightly. So some people interpret that their curls are disappearing, but it's usually not permanent damage. Once the product washes out, the hair goes back to its normal texture. My experiment. So I decided to try an at-home gloss myself. And this isn't the first time I've done an at-home gloss, but it is the first time I've done an at-home gloss when my hair was gray. The one that I used is Overtone the Gloss. Because I'm so familiar with Overtone and Overtone's products, I figured I could trust this one. What I wanted to see was pretty simple. Would it make my gray hair look any shinier, and would it affect my wavy hair pattern at all? So I applied it to the letter, exactly how the instructions recommended, and I'll show you how I did it. It's so incredibly simple to use. You literally just put it on, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. You can even use it in the shower on wet hair, like a deep conditioning treatment. I like to use it on dry hair so I can walk around with it on. It's super thick. I love that it's silicone free, so the shine looks healthy, not like coated, and it doesn't build up on my hair. Made with nourishing ingredients like botanical extracts and argan oil. You can use this on gray hair, but you can also use this on naturally pigmented and color treated hair. Any hair that looks dull and just needs a glossy refresh. One of the first things that I noticed though immediately was how smooth my hair felt. And once my hair dried, the shine was definitely more noticeable. Gray hair can sometimes look more like a matte finish, and this just made it reflect the light. Like a mirror almost, you know, like glass hair. But the thing I was really curious about was my waves, because if a product flattens out my texture, that's gonna be a deal breaker for me. Maybe not years ago when I only straightened my hair, but I'm trying to wear my hair wavy more often, and that would bother me. So I tried it again on my wavy hair too, and I was actually shocked that it made my wavy hair shiny, because if you have curly or wavy hair, and especially if you have curly or wavy gray hair, then you know that you probably struggle with getting it to look shiny. And This made it look so shiny. I couldn't believe it. It felt so smooth and soft, and it didn't flatten out my waves at all. My waves were still there. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this brand. This is just my own experience using this product. I could see that maybe if somebody had a tighter curl pattern, they would be worried about that too, but maybe there's something about this. I know that it's made with 94% naturally derived ingredients. It's mostly plant-based, so it's got like argan oil and it has plant-based extracts in it. Maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know, but I was really surprised that it didn't weigh my hair down. But I can totally see why maybe some other gloss formulas might weigh down wavy or curly hair, because I know that even some curl creams and other curly hair products really weigh my hair down. This did not. So whether or not you like the result depends a lot on your hair type and what you're hoping that the product will do. But do glosses work on gray hair? In my experience, they can. If your goal is to add shine and smooth the surface of the hair, then a gloss can definitely help. But if you have very curly hair and you love maximum volume and texture, you might notice that some formulas soften that slightly. So like most products, it really just depends on your hair type and what results you're looking for. And if you're curious about the gloss that I tried, I'll link it to this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure you give it a like, a save, and maybe share it with somebody that might find it useful. Also, if you like this type of product review video, let me know in the comments. We made it to 10K. Let's get to 20K. As usual, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.